working with a real estate professional. Using a buyer's agent is something that you should do. And the first step inside that perfect home to make an initial offer, you should be working with a professional that knows about the negotiation process, the particular terms in that particular area, and from there have reliable support staff that helps you and is in your corner during the whole process. So about 97% of buyers' first encounter with their new home is online. It's always a good idea to meet the agent in person first and review your goals and what type of home you're looking for and your timeline you're looking to buy. If you're determining what the right fit is for you, again, find that local real estate agent and team up with them, because it's time to zero in on the exact features and amenities you're looking for with your dream home.